Hey folks, it's Eugene here, and the Forensic Photography Symposium is on January 19th to 22nd, 2026. It's less than a week away. So we have David Larraguibel here. He's one of the speakers at the symposium. David, you're going to be talking about optimizing forensic image capture. And so tell me about what you're going to be presenting on.
So essentially the idea behind optimization and image capture is that when you're starting out with any technical process, everyone's kind of taught how to do it a specific way, and it's usually a predefined, standardized set of procedures that everyone can follow. And it's kind of a lowest common denominator type of process. It's also typically the slowest. But for most people who work in an operational environment, over time you develop these. I don't want to call them shortcuts, and I don't want to call them hacks because we're forensic professionals, but there are definitely optimizations, ways you can configure your system where you're still getting the same results. They're still reliable, repeatable, and defensible. They're allowing you to do your work more efficiently. The thing is, for most people, this takes a long time to develop. And so what I'm hoping to do in this short presentation is just provide a few optimizations that I've come across over the years, either from other people or just from doing the work on my own, that have allowed me to do the work quicker and more reliably without having to dig through menus, without having to, try and pull up instructions or what have you. Just really just trying to make the work as efficient as possible.
Excellent. Well, folks, if you want to see David at the symposium, make sure to click on the link below. David, thanks very much.
You got it.